keep that cold inside the fridge. We won't prepare that till afterwards. So what we're going to do is put our liquids in first. So we have our milk, and then we heat it up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is it heated up? Help with the yeast inside, okay? Right, then what we do is sprinkle the yeast on top of the milk. And then bread, flour, first piece of cake flour, salt, sugar, and on the very top, salt butter.
So Chef, you said the warm milk, yeast, bread flour, cake flour,
Yes.
sugar, salt first, okay.
And then butter last on top, okay? That is the storeroom. Could somebody just answer for me? Storeroom? We'll be sending somebody down in a few minutes. Thank you. Thank you. We have some milk, butter, and flour to pick up. So we just need 2 students afterwards to pick it up. So start this one off. Just go slow, and because the liquid's on the bottom, it's going to help you from not having to scrape down the bottom of it. Just increase the speed. And we have a medium-sized bowl, and then we're just going to need a sheet pan in place. So typically when you're making a bakery croissant dough, you use the big spiral mixer, and you're making like, I don't know, 50 times this amount at one time. Because you're going to make a couple hundred croissants with that dough over there. And today each team is making 1 croissant dough among 2, and each student is making 1 puff pastry. It does, yes. Benzoline spray. Okay. You can see it's coming together. It's not completely there. We do need to scrape this down. Because right on the dough hook, there's a little bit of yeast that was just hanging there. So you really need to scrape this to combine everything together. Turn it over. Okay, so see a few spots of the yeast over there. Has anybody found that they really enjoy bakery, like doing croissant, doing breads? Do you find that? Yes. So it's really beneficial for you to get experience in as many different aspects in art. Not just the bakery, but the chocolate, ice cream, get well-rounded. Find little boards, showpieces. Not everybody's going to be the best in every single thing. Usually if you're really good in production, you may not be as good in showpieces or vice versa. But work on the areas that you feel weakest at. If you're really good at piping, you don't need to practice as much, but maybe you need to work more on, I don't know, just your finishing of the buttercream. Always work on your weakness, okay, and keep adding to that. This is a really good formula. It's a good one to train with. You're going to end up getting a couple dozen of croissants from this small amount here. So it's a good quantity to practice on it. So you see the hook in there, you see the glute development stretching through. I don't want to overdevelop it at this stage. I just want to make sure everything is mixed smoothly. If I overdevelop the gluten, it makes for a very bland type of croissant. I want a flaky croissant with that honeycomb inside. So a lot of the smoothing and the gluten development will happen during those folds that we give it later on today. So don't overdevelop it. Have it just have it mixed evenly, so you don't see any spots where yeast is or anything. Because that's the dough. Right? It's taking the starch and having it absorbed. It's alive. It is alive. It's alive, okay? The yeast is alive. Right? So now, somebody could just get the Sharpie ready to put chef on there. Okay, thank you. And then we can just put it, of course, there, okay? We'll just put it in the top of the fruit box, okay? Okay, any questions on that? Straightforward, right? So now, we're going to do the puff pastry dough. So for this one, I'm going to need some ice water like we did the pie dough.
How long does it stay in freezer?
Until it has doubled in size. You know, you see it. We're going to see it very like activated. Okay.
Thank you.
We're doing the puff dough. So demo team, if you could read out for me the ingredients again.
Bread flour,
Bread flour, how much?
16 ounces.
Yes.
Pastry flour, 4 ounces.
Yes.
Salt, half an ounce.
Yes.
Butter, soft, 4 ounces.
Yes.
Water, full, 10 ounces.
10 ounces, okay? That's great. And this is our butter for, did I write, I think I wrote puff accidentally on the other one. I did, didn't I? So we need to correct that. So the one inside should be croissant, this one should be puff. Okay. And can I have a scale on the top shelf over there just to weigh out the ice water? 10 ounces of ice water?
Yes.
Great. And never mind, we have one here. Too much. 10 ounces exactly. There we go. Great. Thank you very much. Okay, and then similar to what we did before with the dry ingredients, I like to put the salt in with the water just to help it dissolve. And then a sprig of the flour. I put the larger quantity, which is the red flour first. And the pastry flour, yes. And the last one. My plastic scraper. The bowl scraper. Yes, where did I put that one?
Yes.
There we go. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. And then we're going to put the soft, really soft butter. So this is like really super. It's not melted, but it's super soft. This way you don't have to overwork the dough to blend that in. bring it together without overworking the dough. So in between all of your folds of your dough, you're going to have puff in the plastic wrap and your croissant in the plastic bag, so it's easy to tell which one's going to be eaten. You won't get confused by it. Okay, you see it's a little bit underdeveloped. Just turn it over. I know some pastry chefs who put inside their puff dough a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar, as an acid, just to help relax the dough a little bit. The acid helps to relax it, so when you're rolling it out, it makes it a little bit flakier. I've also seen chefs make brown butter. You know, heat up butter till it's brown, and use that brown butter in this section of it. You know, not the lamination, but what you put in here just to give a deeper aroma to it. So. A lot of pastry chefs have kind of favorite puff pastry formulas that they want to work with. There's a method I used before when I came here for my running video that I'm joking.
Yes.
Just heavy cream, flour, and salt. That's it. I don't remember. I have to look it up. But it worked.
You improvise.
I rolled with it. I didn't panic. Maybe for a second I did, but right? Good. So let's come around with this one. So let's feel it. I sacrificed my dough for you.